Guys, it's never been more easy to earn money online. Today I'm going to show you a method to watch ads using a platform called FreeCash just to make money every single day. Let's get right into it. So if you're unfamiliar with FreeCash, there's hundreds of different app offers that you can get on Android and on Apple. A bunch of different ones available. There's also surveys that you could do, but today we're going to be focusing on app offers, and you can click in between each one and see what they offer. We're going to be looking for ones like this, where there's play and progress. It says play and progress, but really what it means is watch ads. So as you download these free games, there's a bunch of ads that come up. Every time you watch an ad, the progress will go up, and it goes up exponentially as you progress. So all you have to do is download the app by clicking play and earn, scan the QR code. You obviously don't want to use mine, but you'd scan the QR code once you're signed into FreeCash, play the app for a little bit, and you'll see the bars go up as soon as you start playing. If you don't already have a FreeCash account, click on the link in my description. You get a free $10 when you first sign up and install your first app, and you also get a bonus when you cash out, I believe. So make sure you do all that, and you'll be able to cash out probably in less than 2 hours if you watch enough ads or complete one of these offers. There's a bunch of different ones that you could pick from, but you want to do the play and progress ones, like this one right here. This is super easy. I explained this in a different video. All you have to do is click on the app every day for 50 days to earn $1.25. Like, this is free money, guys. I don't know why you wouldn't jump on this opportunity. Just look at all these different offers. This is just Android. You can go and filter it by iOS because there's a bunch of different ones for there, but I don't have an iOS device, so I don't bother looking there. But you could do multiple apps at the same time. If you have more than one phone, you can automate this process to watch the reward ads right away and fill these bars up pretty quickly. This will probably take, it's really tough to say because each one, the progression's a little bit different. Longer ads progress the thing further, so keep that in mind when you click on the reward ads, or just do the standard ones that are required after a game's finish. All of them count towards the play and earn. Like, look at this one, $112. This one might be a great one to jump on, Word Collect for Android. But yeah, this is super easy. Click on the link in my description below to sign up for FreeCash and get a $10 bonus. I'm not sure how long that limited time offer will last, so get on this. And while there's bonuses going on these, like burning rewards, these don't last very long, so complete these offers as soon as possible, install your first game, and start earning some money using FreeCash.